Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 17 June 2021. I am teaching you chapter number 2 and name of the chapter is Bones and Muscles. So, everyday student, we do lot of activities in our day to day life. We run, we eat food, we walk. So how all these things are possible? These things are possible due to the bones and muscles present inside our body. Is it clear? These things is possible due to bones and muscle, and both the bones and muscles work together to do all these various types of activities. So first of all, student, you understand that bones and muscles both are internal organs of the body because we are unable to see them. As we know that skin is the largest internal organ of the body, it covers the whole body. So bones and muscles we are unable to see. That is the reason these are known as internal organs of the body. If you touch your body, then you will feel, student, something hard in your body. So what is this? These are bones. And when you touch other parts of the body, then some, that is what? That is your muscles. ठीक है, that is your muscles. And muscle work, how they work? Contraction and relaxation. Okay, how muscles work? Due to the contraction and relaxation. For example, if you contract, this is contraction, and now you will touch your hand, this portion, then it become tight. Is it clear? It become tight. So due to contraction and relaxation, the muscles work. And even, student, these muscles are present in the internal organs also. These muscles are also present in the internal organs also. So all the activities which we do in our day to day life, that is possible only due to, why? Because bones and muscles work together. Even your muscles are present in internal organs also. Now let's discuss something about the bones. Bones are internal organ of our body, and they are made of living tissues, and they have their own blood cells. ठीक है, own blood cell, so that the bones can grow also and they can repair also. ठीक है, अगर बोन्स डैमेज होती हैं तो वो रिपेयर भी हो जाती हैं. यस्टरडे प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको ये बात बताई थी. ठीक है. सो एंड सी, if you see, they can repair. And bones contain calcium, protein. Bones contain calcium, protein, vitamins and minerals also. At the time of birth of a child, the number of bones are 300. Is it clear? But as the child grow, the some of the bones fuse, and in the last, if you see the number of bones in the adult human being, that is 206 bones. Is it clear? So our body is made of a bones, and it forms a framework. And this framework of our body is known as skeleton. This framework of our body is known as skeleton. Is it clear? So due to this you will see someone is very tall in size, someone is in short in height, someone, so different shape of the body is due to this framework of bones, that is known as your skeleton. Is it clear? आप देखते हो लोगों की अलग अलग हाइट होती है, कुछ बहुत लंबे होते हैं, कुछ शॉर्ट हाइट होते हैं, कुछ एवरेज हाइट लोग होते हैं, ठीक है। कुछ लोग देखोगे कि बहुत हेल्दी होते हैं, ठीक है, उनके शोल्डर्स जो होते हैं बहुत बड़े होते हैं, तो दैट इज ड्यू टू दिस फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स। तो ये हमारी बॉडी को क्या करती है, इट गिव शेप टू आवर बॉडी, एंड इवन these bones or these skeleton bones, they protect the internal organs of the body also, like our heart is protected inside the rib cage, or you can also say chest bone, and in the same manner lungs are also protected. Brain, it is a delicate organ. Delicate organ means the organs which are very soft, organs which are very soft, so it is protected by the skull, it is protected by the skull. Is it clear? So let's discuss what are the some of the functions of our these skeleton. So what are these bones? They form the framework. Is it clear? These bones, they form the framework of bones. Framework of bone, that is known as skeleton. It give shape to the body. Okay, I am writing not the full point, in shortcut I am writing. Okay, it give shape to the body. It gives shape to the body. Just now I discussed with you, protect internal organ also, internal organs of the body. Next, locomotion. Locomotion means the movement of the body, and this is possible when bones and muscles work together. Is it clear? So next, formation of RBC means red blood cell, store minerals in the body. So see, framework of bones, that is known as your skeleton. That is, so these bones having their own living tissues and they can have their own blood cells. ठीक है, ये मैंने अभी आपको बताया, ठीक है। तो फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स, ड्यू टू दिस द, इसी की वजह से लोगों की अलग अलग शेप और साइज होती है। इज इट क्लियर? इट गिव शेप टू द बॉडी। सेकेंड पॉइंट हो गया फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स, दैट इज नोन एज स्केलेटन। प्रोटेक्ट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी के जो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करती है। इज इट क्लियर? लोकोमोशन मीन मूवमेंट विद, एंड दिस इज डन with the help of muscle, both they work together so that we can move. Formation of RBC. सी इन ए hollow bones. Hollow bones मीन्स जो खाली होती हैं, बड़ी हड्डियां हैं जो शरीर की, ठीक है, उनके अंदर आप देखोगे बोन मैरो होता है, ठीक है, क्या होता है, बोन मैरो, ठीक है, इनसाइड अ आप देखोगे बोन मैरो, बोन मैरो इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द hollow bones. Hollow bones मीन्स जो बड़ी हड्डियां और खाली हैं, तो उनके अंदर ये होता है बोन मैरो, ओके, एंड इट फॉर्म्स द आरबीसी. यहाँ क्या फॉर्म होता है, आरबीसी होता है. इज इट क्लियर. स्टोर मिनरल्स इन द बॉडी. और आपके बोन्स के अंदर आपका मिनरल्स भी स्टोर होते हैं, प्रोटीन भी स्टोर होता है, विटामिन्स भी स्टोर होते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्टोर हाउस. ओके, कैल्शियम है, प्रोटीन है, उसके बाद विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल, दे आर स्टोर इन द बोन्स. इज इट क्लियर. तो ये सब चीजें भी किसमें आपके स्टोर होती हैं, बोन्स में स्टोर होती हैं. सो दिस इज देयर स्केलेटन. ओके, नाउ सी एंड द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स इन द एडल्ट, जो कि मैंने अभी जस्ट आपको बताया, द नंबर ऑफ बोन्स प्रेजेंट इन द एडल्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग, दैट इज 206 बोन्स. एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ number of bones are 300, but as the growth some of the bones fuse, okay, and in the last the adult human being skeleton has 206 bones. You want to note down, you can note down. Okay, now see student, when you will study the human skeleton, okay, it is divided into two parts, axial and appendicular. Is it clear. when you study about the human skeleton, ठीक है, अभी one by one I will explain you all the things, but before that I explain you how many bones are in our body, that is 206 bones. So how the total is of 206 bones, that we will discuss, and after that one by one we will discuss all the bones which are given in your book. Okay, पहले आप ये समझो कि हमारी बॉडी में 206 बोन्स कैसे हैं. Is it clear. So see, one is known as, if we study about the human skeleton, okay, now see all of you on the board, when you will study about the human skeleton student, then it is divided into two parts. Is it clear. When we do the study of a human skeleton, then it is divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Is it clear. And see on page number, all of you open, first you open page number 13. Okay, so in page number 13 you will see the human skeleton is given here, page number 13. Okay, so when you are watching this video, Is it clear? When you are watching this video, then open this page, that is page number 13. It will help you to understand. Is it clear? And after that, see, human skeleton is divided into two parts, that is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, so when we see axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton, then what we will find? We will find in axial skeleton you having 80 bones. It is made of 80 bones. And appendicular skeleton, it is made of 120 bones. Is it clear? Again, if you add 120 and 80, the total you are getting, that is 200. But the total number of bones in our body, that is 206 bones. That is 206 bones. So from where we get this 6 bones? So try to understand human skeleton, that is total number of bones in the human skeleton, that is 206. And if when we study human skeleton, it is divided into two parts, axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. Okay, in axial skeleton you will get 80 bones, and in appendicular skeleton you will get 120 bones. Is it clear? So where are the 6 more bones from where you will get? So for this you have to see, understand, first of all you have to understand what is axial skeleton, then what is appendicular skeleton, and from where you will get 6 more bones. Okay, because appendicular skeleton means I am talking about limbs. Okay, how many limbs we have? Again it is divided into two parts. Is it clear? If I am talking about appendicular skeleton, it means I am talking about the limbs. Is it clear? And limbs are again divided into two parts, that is upper limbs, second is lower limbs. Is it clear? Now what is the meaning of the upper limbs? Upper limbs means I am talking about hands, or you can say arm also. See, these are our upper limbs, and our legs, that is known as lower limbs. So these appendicular skeleton is attached to the axial skeleton. ठीक है? This appendicular skeleton is attached to axial skeleton. So for that attachment 6 more bones are used. Then 200 plus this 6, it becomes 206 bones. I hope you are able to understand what I teach. I just repeat you. I repeat it so that in a very simple language you will understand how the total number of bones in human skeleton is 206. First of all, I explained you about what bones and muscles. Okay, and now after that I start explaining you about the skeleton. Which skeleton? Human skeleton. Then our human skeleton is divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Is it clear? So axial skeleton, what will come here? This skull portion, head. Okay, here rib cage, which protect the chest and which protect the heart and lungs, that is your rib cage. And there is a one straight bone by which all the bones are attached, that is known as sternum, bone. Okay, and see from here our backbone. Is it clear? So these are vertebral columns. So this portion is here, this portion is your axial skeleton. Is it clear to all of you? This portion is your axial skeleton. One more time I repeat you: skull, rib cage. Okay, then backbone. Here there is a backbone, that is our vertebral column, and the bones of our rib cage are attached to a bone that is known as sternum, or you can say breastbone. So this is the part of axial skeleton. Just now think about it. you अब ये now, and in appendicular skeleton what comes? Limbs, upper limbs. This is your upper limbs. Is it clear? This is your upper limbs, and your legs, this is the lower limbs, by which you can move from one place to another. So this upper limb is connected to the axial skeleton. Here it is connected to the axial skeleton, and here it is connected with the lower limbs. ठीक है? तो सो एक्सियल स्केलेटन में बेटा दो गर्डल आए, ठीक है, एक दो ने तुम्हारे हैंड्स को जोड़ा और दो ने तुम्हारे लेग पोर्शन को जोड़ा, तो यहाँ पे 6 बोन्स यूज हुई। जो हैंड वाले पोर्शन पे 4 बोन्स यूज हुई, और हमारे पास कितने हैंड हैं, कितने आर्म कह लो या हैंड कह लो, 2 हैं। अगर यहाँ 2 यूज हुई तो यहाँ भी 2 यूज हुई, 2 + 2 4। एंड जो ये लोअर पोर्शन है जहां पे, तो यहाँ 2 लेग्स है आपके, तो लेग्स में 1 बोन एक लेग्स को ज्वाइंट किया, एक बोन ने एक लेग को ज्वाइंट किया, ठीक है। तो 2 + 2 + 1 + 1, सो 6 बोन्स, ठीक है। 6 बोन्स आर यूज टू ज्वाइन योर एपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन। तुम्हारे एपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन को ज्वाइन करने में कितनी बोन्स यूज हुई बेटा? 6 बोन्स यूज हुई, ठीक है। सो आई होप अब आपको समझ में आया होगा, ठीक है। आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। ह्यूमन स्केलेटन डिवाइड इनटू 2 पार्ट, axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. In axial skeleton there are 80 bones and appendicular skeleton 120 bones. If you add 80 plus 120 then it become 200. Okay, now if you see appendicular skeleton, it is again divided into limbs. And what are these limbs? Upper limb and lower limbs. So these upper limbs and lower limbs join with the axial skeleton. And what bones come in the axial skeleton? That is your skull, your rib cage, your breastbone, or you can say sternum, and your backbone, vertebral columns. So this come in the axial skeleton. So 6 bones are used to join the appendicular skeleton to the axial skeleton. I hope you all are able to understand. 6 bones are used to join this appendicular skeleton to the axial skeleton. Is it clear? Now one by now, firstly I explain you about axial skeleton, and then I will explain you about appendicular skeleton. Okay, let's start with the axial skeleton. How the number is 206, that I have already explained you. Axial skeleton 80 bones, appendicular skeleton 120 bones, and how appendicular skeleton is attached to axial skeleton. So in this 6 more bones are used. So 200 plus 6, that is 206, and total number of bones in our body is 206. Now let's start with axial skeleton. How the number of bones are 80. First we will discuss the axial skeleton. अगर आपको नोट करना है नोट कर लो, क्योंकि मैंने एक्सेल में 80 बोन्स बताई हैं। अब हम लोग सारी बोन्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे तो देख लेना, आपको टोटल 80 मिलेगा। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ एक्सियल स्केलेटन में मैंने बोला एक्सियल स्केलेटन, एक्सियल स्केलेटन। ओके, सो व्हाट आर इट्स पार्ट्स? Skull. Is it clear? Skull. Then rib cage, then vertebral column, and breastbone, or you can also say sternum. ठीक है. Now see, these are the part of axial skeleton, skull. Okay, first skull, rib cage, vertebral column, ये जो आपका पीछे का है, जो आपकी बैकबोन है, ठीक है, एंड ब्रेस्ट बोन, ये सामने वाली जिसने चेस्ट में एक स्टेट है बोन, उससे सारी रिब केज आके ज्वाइन हुई है आगे, तो उसको हमने ब्रेस्ट बोन बोला, उसी का नाम है स्टर्नम. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ स्कल, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्कल, ठीक है, तो स्कल में 8 बोन्स फ्लैट बोन्स हैं स्कल में. इट इज आल्सो गिवन इन द बुक. 8 फ्लैट बोन्स हैं जिन्होंने ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखा है. और जो तुम्हारी 14 बोन्स हैं, इसने आपका ये फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन बनाया है. चेहरे का जो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन में जो बोन्स यूज हुई, जिन्होंने फेस बनाई, तो ये कितनी है? 14 है. ठीक है, दिस नंबर इज 14. ठीक है, अब आपके स्कल पोर्शन में आपके ईयर भी आते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? स्कल पोर्शन में आपके ईयर भी आते हैं. तो ईयर इक्वल टू 3 बोन्स होती हैं आपके ईयर में. एंड हाउ मेनी बोन्स आर इन आवर ईयर? सो 3 bones. And how many ears we have? 2. So 2 multiply 3 equal to 6 bones. Is it clear? आगे अभी हम लोग स्कल से चल रहे हैं बेटा. स्कल में देखो, स्कल 8 बोन, ये फ्लैट बोन्स हैं जिन्होंने ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखा है. बिकॉज यू नो ब्रेन इज अ वेरी डेलिकेट ऑर्गन, मीन्स सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी. 14 बोन्स चूज हुई आपका फेशियल बोन्स हैं जिन्होंने आपको फेस को शेप दी. ठीक है, ईयर है आपके, इसी पोर्शन में ईयर आता है. इन 1 ईयर देयर आर 3 बोन्स, तो यू हैव 2 ईयर्स, सो 2 3 द 6 बोन्स. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इफ यू एड एंड one is there, one bone is your breastbone, one bone from here, you can count one bone from here, that is sternum. sternum में कितने बोन्स हैं? 1 बोन है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड इसमें कितने बोन्स हैं? और जो आपकी टंग है, आपकी टंग जो अटैच है, इसमें भी 1 बोन इज यूज टू अटैच द टंग. सो 1 बोन हो गई टंग की, 1 बोन ये टंग की ले ली. ठीक, तो अब आप ऐड करो हाउ मेनी बोन्स यू विल गेट इन द स्कल पोर्शन. तो स्कल 8 flat bones of the skull, here brain is protected. 8 plus 14 facial bones plus 6 the bones which are present in your ear, and there is one more bone which connect the tongue, so plus 1. Now add it. 14 8 22 and 7, that is 29 bones. Is it clear? So in a skull portion, in this skull portion, how many bones you get? 29 bones in the skull portion. Okay, I hope you all are able to understand. ठीक है, skull 8 bones that are flat bones where brain is protected. 14 bones facial bones हैं which make your face. In one ear 3 bones, so in 2 ear there are 6 bones, and one bone is used to attach the tongue, so that is 1. So total number of bones in the skull, ठीक है, total number of bones in the skull we have 29 bones. Okay, we will continue this topic in the next video, student. Thank you.